You want to create a new array based on the values of an already existing one? Stop using simple for loops like a beginner and step up your JavaScript game with advanced JavaScript array methods. Today we are learning the filter method. The filter method allows you to iterate through arrays. So firstly we need an array. Let's say we have an array containing different numbers. We want to create a new array that only contains the even numbers of our first array. For that we use the filter method. It is usable for every array in JS. It iterates through every item of our array. Filter invokes a test that you define and creates a new array containing all the elements that actually pass this test. But how does it work? The filter method expects one argument, and that is a callback function. This function will be invoked for every single item of our array. To be able to actually invoke this callback function for the items, we need to define an argument name. I will call it number. Like I said, you have to define a test for every item. This callback function has to return either true or false. Now let's define the test. I mentioned that we want a new array to only contain even numbers, so our test looks like this. How does this work in real time? Like I said, the filter method iterates through our array. It invokes a callback function that performs whatever you define within that function, using the argument number as a reference to the current item of our array. Our new array even numbers currently has no items. Let's see what happens if we run the filter method. First iteration takes the first item, in this case the number 13. 13 is now referenced under the variable number. Thus 13 modulo 2 equals 0. No, so false is returned. 13 does not pass the test, hence it will not be part of the new array even numbers. Next iteration is with the next item, so the number 12. Number is now referencing to 12. Does 12 modulo 2 equals 0? It does, so the return value is true. 12 just passed the test of our callback function and is now part of the new array even numbers. Next iteration is for number 7. 7 modulo 2 does not equal 0, so the callback returns false. 7 won't be part of the new array then. And this keeps going for every single item of our array. 34 modulo 2 equals 0, that's true, so the return value is again true. That means that 34 will be part of our new array. Feel free to try it out and let me know in the comments if you face any problems. Otherwise check out my code at GitHub or my website.